Hi, everybody's talking about the coronavirus, and the coronavirus and any virus is going to attack people that have the immune system debilitated. So how do we boost our immune system? Well, in our dental office, obviously, we promote people having their gums clean constantly. At home, brushing, flossing, all reducing the amount of bacteria that is penetrating your body. So that is going to help you maintain your immune system higher. Now also, if you want extra protection, we can provide intravenous vitamin C, 50,000 milligrams, and some people do it once a week, twice a week. It depends how healthy or how weak you feel. Some people do it with 1,000 milligrams of water, so that way they get hydrated. The third thing that I recommend is at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep, solid sleep. 10 o'clock at night, 10 to 2, your body repairs, 2 to 6, your mind repairs. So we need to get some sleep. And also the hydration of water. If you don't get the intravenous vitamin C with 1,000 cc's of water, then consume half of your body weight at least in good quality water. If you're out, buy Fiji water. If you're in, make sure you buy a nice filter that is going to take the metals, the chlorines, the amines, the bacteria, and also all the pesticides that are now in our water. So a good water filtration system is really important. But I hope I see you and get a good cleaning. Ciao.